Knowledge of numbers will help you count without making any mistakes. Let us revise counting the numbers from 1 to 100. We start counting single-digit numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, we count first two-digit number 10 as 1, 0, that is 10. 11 is read as 1, 1, 11. 12 is read as 1, 2, 12. 13 is read as 1, 3, 13. 14 is read as 1, 4, 14. 15 is read as 1, 5, 15. 16 is read as 1, 6, 16. 17 is read as 1, 7, 17. 18 is read as 1, 8, 18. 19 is read as 1, 9, 19. 20 is read as 2, 0, 20. It is very important for you all to learn the most important concept of numbers, that is, the units place, tens place, and so on. Now, the single-digit numerals from 1 to 9 should always be placed in the units column. But after 9 comes the two-digit number 10. Try and understand this. In 10, there are 0 units and the digit 1 means 1 tenths. Thus, in a two-digit number, the digit to the right is units place digit and the digit to the left is tens place digit. Thus, in 11, there are 1 unit and 1 tenths. Similarly, in 12, there are 2 units and 1 tenths. Now see the table where we place the digits of number from 1 to 19 in units and tens place. Notice one thing, that after 19, where there are 9 units and 1 tenths. Next number is 2 tenths, that is 20. After 19, to write the next number, we write 0 in units place, and in tens place, write the number after 1, that is 2. Thus, we get the number 20. From 20, start the digits with 2 tenths. Let us now see the numbers 21. In 21, there are 1 units and 2 tenths. Next is 22, where there are 2 units and 2 tenths. Next is 23, where there are 3 units and 2 tenths. Thus, keep increasing the digit in units place by 1. We thus have the numbers 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Let us place these answers shown in units and tens place. We can see then in units place, the next digit to the previous units place digit is written as we proceed from 20 to 21 to 22, so on till 39. Remember, the units place digit is also called as ones place. That is, for example, in the number 15, we can say that there are 1 tens and 5 ones. In the number 29, we can say that there are 2 tens and 9 ones, and so on. Now, let us see the number which will come after 29. As we saw how we got 20 after the number 19. In the same way, after 29, we will have 3 tens, that is 30. What do? Yes, we put a 0 in the units place and in tens place. We wrote the digit which comes exactly after 2, that is 3. Now, start the 2-digit numbers with 3 tens. In the same way, as we wrote the numbers with 2 tens from 20 to 29. We have the numbers with 3 tens, that is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Did you all understand how we got number 10 after 9, 20 after 19, and 30 after 29? In the same way, as we have written the numbers with 1 tens from 1 to 19. The numbers with 2 tens from 20 to 29. The numbers with 3 tens from 30 to 39. Similarly, the numbers with 4 tens are 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. The numbers with 5 tens are 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. The numbers with 6 tens are 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. The numbers with 7 tens are 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. The numbers with 8 tens are 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and the numbers with 9 tens are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now, let us see what number we get after 99. We again write a 0 in units place. The number after 9 is 10. So, we write 10 in tens place. Thus, we get the number 100, that is 10 tens or 100. Thus, after 99, the next number is 100. What did you notice till now? 9 is the biggest one-digit number. After 9 starts the two-digit number 10. Thus, 10 is smallest two-digit number. Then, how we got the numbers 10 after 9, 20 after 19, 30 after 29, 40 after 39, 50 after 49, 60 after 59, 70 after 69, 80 after 79, 90 after 89, 100 after 99. Now, from 1 to 9 were all one-digit numbers. From 10 to 99 were all two-digit numbers. Therefore, 99 is the biggest two-digit number. After 99, we have 100. 100 is a three-digit number. Thus, 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Now that we learned how to write numbers from 1 to 100, let us see how to read them. First in serial order, then randomly. We know how to read the numbers from 1 to 9. 1 say 1. 2 say 2. 3 say 3. 4 say 4. 5 say 5. 6 say 6. 7 say 7. 8 say 8. 9 say 9. After 9, it is 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, and then 2 0 20. After 20, we read the numbers as 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, and then 3 0 30. Similarly, we read numbers till 99 and then 100. Now randomly. 24 is read as 24. 68 is read as 68. And so on. Thus, tens place digit is read as 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then, to read the numbers with tens and units place together, we read the units place digit after reading the tens place digit. For example, to read 79, that is 79, we say 79, that is 7 tenths is equal to 70. 9 units is equal to 9. Thus, read 38, 38, read 42 as 42, read 27 as 27, read 63 as 63, read 88 as 88, read 99 as 99, and finally read 100 as 100.